Today we're on a mission to the enigmatic Willow Candy Warehouse, where human manure turns into a treasure trove for our very own poop beasts, the willow trees at Basecamp. As our boot team approached the warehouse, we noticed a couple of fallen bins. Fortunately, they were still sealed. What could have caused this? Let's explore the warehouse and uncover the truth. This warehouse is more than just a clever storage system for our willow feeders. It's a game changer in the world of sustainable sanitation and untapped potential for plant fertilization. Human manure is loaded with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. After 2 years of aging, the bad stuff's gone. Our poop beasts will feast on these glorious nutrients. While Caleb and I prepped the bins for transport, Kathy found a bear paw print nearby. Perhaps the culprit for the fallen bins? What do you think?
I'm glad for all the trees. They smell so nice.
Alright, it's go time. We're going to take the contents of these 4 bins we brought over to base camp and spread the love near our willow trees. If you like this sort of thing, come on out to permies.com.